No, but I don't think anybody eating.
After living 1 year in Istanbul, right now it's closed because good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Minglava and Mahaba. I'm filming about my condo and surrounding today. It's been a year since I moved to Turkey from Singapore. So I want to share with you guys where I stay, but not exactly where. I'll just show you the surrounding, of course. So follow along with me. Thank you. Let's go. Sunny day. This is the garden. The plants are start to grow back. The trees are like growing back now. They are planting new things. So good. Which way? Fresh smell. I like this scent. Fresh cut. This is right in front of our house. How we see from the above. Some strain. This is like people's town square. Everything is happening here for any events. Oh, Biraj is going to the gym because yesterday the gym was closed, but which is not supposed to be. Usually gym closed like Monday, every Monday. So he's gonna check. Is it stay closed? What's happening?
Still.
Oh. There's a little cafe here as well, like bakery. And this is bigger like town square. You can go up to there. In the summer, the children and dogs are playing here as well. The first question my friends ask me is like, does Taki has any dogs? So many dogs in this condo. And we're gonna go out from here. So this is right outside of our condo. There are a few butchers here, and over there where we grocery shops, some clinics and pharmacy, and a little cafe there. Oh, so we came to another grocery store, like outside of condo, to get something.
Evet. Hepsi bulgur.
This is called A1 or A101. They sell like household things like this as well. Look at this, it's so interesting. Really like random things you can find in this shop. And also headphone, hair dryer, hair color, and this side is dairy products, as you can see, cold drinks. We are browsing around this grocery store. The ladies are really talkative. They're screaming and shouting. Okay, anyway, I want to show you. They even have fish steamer like this. I always eye on this item I wanted to buy. Let's see. They sell tahin here in this big bottle, big boxes here, like this. Olives. Turkey is super rich. They sell olives like this. This is Turkey. How do you know? Because of the big selection of cheese. As you can see, it's full of cheese, different types of cheese. This supermarket sells really random items, and then it's really cheap compared to other supermarkets here. There is a kindergarten here as well for children. You can hear them, they are playing.
He's okay with this. Now he has big burn here.
Oh my gosh, poor thing. So Miraj was telling his friend went to this salon nearby and he got laser burn. So we're not gonna go there. We came to another supermarket called Migros. Some of the items are available here. So let's see. Something like this, I think, but not this one. I have a husband who likes to buy things one at a time. He don't like to stock. But I come from Singapore. If I see any cheap stuff, anything on discount, I would like to buy and store it. And today we came here for something shakers, which means no sugar biscuit from same brand, but they are sold out. So I'm happy. Raj found something shakers, which means no sugar, sugar-free snacks or wafer. Show it to the camera. I also never get the idea of sugar-free snacks before until I came to Istanbul. I found out there's no sugar snacks here. That's cool, isn't it? So next time if I find something that I like, I should buy and store it, because in Turkey something doesn't right is if I like something, for example jasmine green tea, it's not here anymore. There's, I think the production stopped or something somehow. I can't find anywhere in any grocery store that I like. The good thing about Turkey supermarket is you can buy like snacks, bakeries here. It's everywhere. We even have pizza maker here, big oven, so you can just buy pizza from here and ask them to cook for you. Look at this. So this is a supermarket, but right outside is the cafe that you can just go out. The culture shock when I first came here to Turkey from Singapore as an Asian, the amount of they sell rice here. It's a small packet, 1000 grams. As an Asian, how am I gonna eat this?
that we just squeeze the tuna oil?
Let me check, like, how can we do it?
Because what I'm doing is I'm doing the tissue. But somebody has to invite something invent something. Like, no, but I don't think anybody eating with the oil itself. It's so disgusting.
In Singapore, you can buy just with water, not oil. There are two types. We have come to another side of our condo. I like this place most because more quieter and peaceful. There is little streams around here like this. There is basketball area as well, as you can see. There are so many like seating areas for the residents. We are just sitting over there. I'm gonna go to him. After living 1 year in Istanbul, why I love this place is so peaceful. It gives me peace. It's so quiet. I can just walk around, like the whole condo is just built for us. If we want to go to any nature, the condo is full of nature. Water, swimming pool is down here. Gym is over here. And we do have Pilates as well, stretching Pilates, mat Pilates, and this is our swimming pool over here. Right now it's closed because I think in December it's gonna open. This is May. So summer is coming soon, I think end of the month. May 2025. There is hammam place. I think it's called hammam. Isn't it cool? Let's go out, it's hot.
But the other day they were taken out.
Yeah. Oh, so those flowers are the old ones. Now I get it. So basically, condo is, oh my god, so noisy. Okay. Basically, Condo is every time doing maintenance around here. So they pull out the old plants from spring and winter, I guess. They are planting new things here. This is the little garden in front of our house whenever we are seeing. And the children playground is over there. As you can see, they are playing. So other than that, we are fine. So many seating areas again. And we do have a big car parking in the underground. I don't know how many layers. So we just go down here. So this is today's my main model, Mirage, aka my husband. This is our main lobby. This is how we live and living standard in Istanbul, Turkey, as a married couple. And thank you so much for following us, and thank you so much for watching our videos. And in the future, I will share more about our life in Turkey. And this is just a sneak peek of what we have around our condo facilities. Today gym is closed, so the sport complex I couldn't show you today. In the future, if I have a chance, I will film one more time and I will show you guys again. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.